Hi, my name is Brian and I'm the 3D print creator, and in this video we are going to test if we can cut fabrics with our laser cutters. So we are going to use the diode type laser cutters. For this video I'm going to use the Totem S laser cutter, but you can use any type of laser cutter you like the NAJs or Orters or whatever type you have. And well, we are going to find out how good they will work. We are going to try and see if we can cut microfiber cloth in two types, if we can cut felt in two types, if I can cut a t-shirt, and yeah, that's the things that we are going to try. Now, the first thing you have to be very sure of is conduct a Beilstein test to every single thing you are willing to cut. You have to make very sure that if you are cutting fabrics that there is no PVC inside. So there has to be absolutely chlorine free. If you conduct the Beilstein test, and there is a link in the video up there, then you know for sure that you are working with a material that is chlorine free, and this is very important because chlorine gas is very bad for your health. Now let's try and see what it does. Now here I loaded my laser with some black microfiber cloth, and well, I'm going to set the settings for this. As you can see, I'm going to cut a circle. And that circle will have the following settings. I will try and do a speed of 400 millimeters a minute with a power of 80%. I try always not to go over the 80% mark. So, well, let's see what this does. It could be that we are putting the material on fire. It could also be that everything goes well. Well, we just don't know. So let's take a look what is going to happen if we hit this material, microfiber cloth, with this power settings. Now there is a lot of smoke, the laser is going away from the material, and let's see if it has cut the material. Yes, it has. It's almost completely through, and here we have the nice little round. So yes, this is something that you can cut very nice, and because of the heat also the sides are not stringing. This is directly a good result. Now let's load up the machine with this thicker microfiber cloth, and yes, we have to adjust the laser for it like this. I hope the material is flat enough so that the laser won't collide with it. Well, let's see. First try if a dry run does work. Looks like it. Now let's try to aim the laser on the material in a corner. Well, that's not the best thing to do because then it will collide. So let's use this position to start, and let's see what happens. It's not a nice smell, I can guarantee that, but we have been cutting through and through. Now let's try to cut some orange felt. Now this material has a little bit of a problem because, well, as you can see, it's not laying flat on the surface. Now there are two things that I can do. One thing is tape it to the surface, I think I'm going to do that. The other thing would be the obvious thing to remove this panel. But if I remove that, then there is no protection for my eyes. So I'm not going to remove it, but I'm going to tape down the sides of the felt so that it will stay flush. And I think this will work the way we do it now. So let's see where it starts. And bring the start point so that we can bring the laser to a good starting point, like here. And let's start the cut. And again, here we can see a nice and clean cut. So also felt is cutting pretty good. Now I happen to have an old t-shirt here. And well, for the sake of ease, I'm going to use a skisser and cut part out of it. I'm not the best with furniture, but this will do. Let's find the start point. So let's try this point so we won't collide. And start. And this really smells bad, really bad, but it made a clean hole. So I think we can say that the results for fabric are good. You can cut fabric very easy. It's even very fast at 400 millimeters a minute. Well, it's a fast cut. Well, all the fabrics I've been cutting, well, the sides are, yeah, molten so that they won't, yeah, how you say it, won't wire, or I don't know what the correct word is for it in English, but as you can see, these are nice pieces of fabric that you can work with. So if you are doing yeah, things with fabric, like making clothes, like using fabric for speakers or that kind of things, well, a laser cutter is the way to go to cut the fabric. And well, it works very nice, I can say. So this test is done, and thanks for your questions about this. I never did it before, and I think the results are pretty good. Thanks for watching, and well, there will be new videos on this channel very soon. Bye bye, thanks for watching.